Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 best free data mining tools that every researcher should know. Why you should know all these tools? Because if you want to publish your paper, that is submit your manuscript in any journal, and if you want to test whether your data set is working well, and if you want to clean the data, and if you want to see which algorithm will suits your data very well, in these case you have to go with the data mining tools. What is the advantage of learning these tools is, one is it is very user friendly and GUI based, that is graphical user interface based, so anybody can learn. You don't want to code, you don't want to write any program to execute any of these things. You just want to install it, input your data, and you can just see how your data is working. So in that series, I'm going to show you the very first tool, which is a rapid miner tool. So rapid miner, here you can see it's a rapid miner. So rapid miner is an open source tool that is one of the best predictive analysis system developed by the company called rapid miner. It is basically written with Java programming, so it is very integrated environment for deep learning, machine learning, predictive analytics, and text mining. The tools can be used for over a vast range of application, including business application, commercial application, training, research, education, machine learning, and application development. So here you can see that you have various types of products. See Rapid Miner Studio, Rapid Miner Go, Rapid Miner Notebooks, AI Hub, Automated Data Science. As a researcher and as a student, we'll be working with the General Rapid Miner Studio. So simply click download, and here you can easily download it. Okay. If you want to download the enterprise edition, you can also download, but this is basically used for the company people. So that is if you're working in a company that if you want to work with a large variety of peers, okay, you can download this. But since we are just going to download it for a single purpose, that is a single user purpose, so you can simply click here and download it. Okay. So rapid miner, see how to use rapid miner. Click here, create an account in the rapid miner, and you can download your software. Try to work. Okay, so here you have two options, that is commercial purpose, and second one is an educational purpose. If you are a student, it will be free for you, student or teacher or any education purpose or the researchers. Okay, so you can easily download here, and if you click here download, you can see that for various operating system you have, this is for 62 32-bit windows, and this is for 64-bit windows, this is for Mac, and this is for Linux. Okay. And if you want to log in an AI hub or Radup, then you can easily sign in here. So anyhow, just click here and try to download it and make use of it. Next, we are going to talk about Orange. Orange is also an open source, which is a perfect software suite for machine learning and data mining. It best aids the data visualization and is a component based software. This Orange is written in Python language. Okay, so Orange is also an open source, so as I told, it'll be very easy to work with. So this is the website where you can see the Orange, you can download the Orange tool. Okay, click here download. Okay, if you click here download, you can, it will redirect you to the download page. So it has varieties of platform, for based on the platform you can download it. It is Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, you can download it. Okay, so this is Orange. Just try to download it and see how it works. Even this is also like a GUI. Downloading and installing is not a big issue for this. And next one, we are going to talk about Veka, which is a well-known tool. This is well known for everyone. This is a free software, okay, and this is developed by the University of Waikato, which is in New Zealand. Okay, and this is a best suited for data analysis and predictive modeling. And even Veka has its own GUI, that is a graphical user interface. You can simply click, drag, and easily connect everything and work on it. Okay, it doesn't have much bigger coding and anything. And this Veka is written in Java programming language. It supports a major data mining task which includes visualization, data mining, processing, regression, everything. Okay, you can import any types of file like a flat file, Excel file, CSV, fine. So you can download Beka from this website, that is cs.waikato.ac.nz. So here you have an option to download. Okay, here you can see that this is a general public license. Okay, and here you have an option to download. Click download, where you can see how to download Beka for various types of platform. Okay, this is Linux and this is Windows. So click here and you can download it. Okay, and the next one we are going to talk about is K9. Okay, so K9 is also a open source. Okay, it is a best integration platform for data analytics and reporting developed by K9 company. Okay, so it operates on the concept of the modular data pipelining, and we have various machine learning. You can do various machine learning and data mining components here in K9. Okay, and KNM has some of the other brilliant features like quick deployment and scaling efficiency. So you can try KNM. This is also for the data mining purpose. Okay, this is free for use. So you can see here even they have their own tutorial running. So click here download. So once you click here, you can see the download KNM Analytics platform. So here you have to register. You have to give your data to register, and then next, if you click next, you can download K9 and then you can install and work on it. Okay, and the fifth tool which you're going to talk about is Rattle. Okay, so Rattle is also a GUI open source. Okay, so it's a GUI and that is a graphical user interface based data mining tool which uses R programming language. Okay, so although Rattle has an extensive and well developed UI, it has inbuilt log code tab. Okay, so you don't want to write any code on that. It will by itself, by default, it has its own code which is developed, and you can simply click and drag and connect everything. Okay, so for Rattle I have already uploaded a video. Here you can go and find, this is the playlist where I have already uploaded a video about the Rattle. It is all the basics tutorial about the Rattle. You can find it here. I'll just copy this playlist and I'll paste this playlist in the description. You can find it. And any other tool, like RapidMiner, Orange, K9, or anything else, if you want, if you wish to learn, you can tell me. I will be here to um, tell you like how you can learn all these things. Okay, so if you want me to show how you have to work with all these things, that is doing this data basic data mining purpose, basic data mining tasks, I can definitely help you. You can ask me. You can just leave the comment. You can send the comment in the comment box. I can definitely help you out. Thanks for watching. Keep doing your research. Don't ever give up. Complete your research. All the best. Stay safe. Bye bye.